Alright, what's going on, guys? So today this is a weekend service call, and right here what we got is a homeowner complaint to a loud noise in the air handler area. Now when I went up to this call, they already had the attic open and everything, which was pretty nice. And so I did not run the system since the homeowner already had pointed out where this issue was coming from. So right here you can just see me just getting ready to pull out that blower, because either I'm gonna have to replace the blower motor, or as you'll later on see and I find out that there is a blower wheel issue.